Hi everyone, welcome back to the CSV Importer video series. In today's tutorial, we'll be exploring the latest feature updates in the WP Ultimate CSV Importer. This new version brings enhanced media import capabilities to ensure you have the best experience managing your media files. Let's dive right in. If you've upgraded to the latest WP Ultimate CSV Importer in your WordPress dashboard, you'll notice a new Media tab. This tab is specifically designed to handle bulk image imports, making it easier than ever to manage your media. You can import images directly from your desktop or external URLs, with separate processes for each. For detailed instructions, check out the videos linked in the description below. In this update, we've streamlined the media handling section by merging its components with the import section. Additionally, there's a new widget for mapping featured image fields. This makes it easy to import featured images with their descriptions, titles, alt texts, and other metadata, all of which are crucial for SEO. In this video, we'll walk through these features by importing a simple post. Let's get started. First, prepare your import file, which can be in CSV or XML format. For this tutorial, I have a CSV file with fields such as post title, post content, post excerpt, post date, post name, post author, post status, featured image, image title, caption, alt text, description, file name, comment status, ping status, post category, and tags. Make sure all fields are filled out. Now, let's import this file using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Under the Import/Update section, upload your CSV file. Select Post as the post type and choose Fresh Import for new data or update content if you're updating existing data. Click Continue. Next, map your CSV fields to the corresponding WordPress fields. You'll notice the new widget for mapping featured image fields. Map all necessary fields. Save the mapping configuration, and click Continue. We're now in the Import section. Here, you can manage your media uploads. Choose Use Media Images if already available to skip duplicates, overwrite the available images to replace existing images with new ones, or always create as new image to import all images as new files. Select your preferred option and configure other import settings as needed. To start the import immediately, click the Import button. You'll see the import process in action. Once completed, a pop-up window will appear with a message confirming the import. You'll also find buttons to download the import log and any failed media details. If any images failed to import, they will be replaced with placeholder images. When you update these records, the placeholders will automatically be replaced with the original images. And that's it. We hope this video helps you navigate the new features of WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.